Hey everyone, welcome back to BTech Pro. Today we're looking at what it really takes to be a senior SQL developer. Whether you're aspiring to level up your career or just curious about the skills needed to handle some of the most complex database challenges, you're in the right place, so let's jump right in. Being a senior SQL developer isn't just about knowing SQL, it's about mastering it and then some. So let's break that down. You need to be an expert at SQL syntax, optimization techniques, and advanced queries. Think join, subqueries, store procedures, and triggers. You should be able to write functional queries that are not only functional but also performant. You need to know how to tune queries to fetch data efficiently, minimize the load on the server, and to avoid things like table scan, for example. Indexing, partitioning, and query optimization should be second nature to you. So yes, you know what an index is, but do you know the difference between a clustered index and a non-clustered index? Or the difference between a B-tree index and a column store index? How about index fragmentation? These are the types of things you need to get accustomed with. So like I said, it's the depth of knowledge that's important at this stage. Being a senior SQL developer means you're not just a coder, you're also an architect. You need to design databases that are scalable, maintainable, and efficient. This includes understanding normalization, denormalization, and creating a schema that supports the application's performance and growth. You should be able to draw up ERDs, understand indexing strategies, and design for transactions and concurrency. When things go wrong, you need to know how to find out what is going wrong. You should be comfortable with SQL Server Profiler, query execution plans, and other diagnostic tools. Make use of the tools, your skill, and your intuition to figure out what went wrong. Debugging stored procedures, fixing slow queries, and ensuring data integrity, that's all part of this whole process. SQL is all about logic. You need to think critically, solve problems, and make decisions based on data. Whether it's writing complex joins or optimizing a stored procedure, strong analytical skills are a must. You need to be able to break down a problem into manageable parts, understand the underlying data structures, and come up with efficient solutions. I like to use the terminology of Lego pieces as well. You have all these different pieces, and when you put them together, you have this incredible structure. You should be proficient with the full suite of SQL Server tools. So that means SQL Server Management Studio, reporting services, and integration services. You should also be familiar with newer technologies like Azure SQL Database, SQL Server on Linux, and even NoSQL databases if your project really needs it. The tech world is evolving, so you really should as well if you want to keep ahead of the trends. Senior developers don't work in isolation. You need to be comfortable with version control systems like Git. Plus, you'll be collaborating with other developers and analysts and stakeholders, so clear communication and teamwork is very important. You should be writing very clear and concise commit messages, not just done, and resolving merge conflicts. And don't forget, code reviews are a big part of the process. It's about making sure the code is clean, efficient, and up to standards. The tech world never stops changing. To stay relevant, you need to keep learning. Attend conferences, take online courses, read blogs, and stay up to date with the latest trends in SQL and database technologies. And of course, if you really are serious about continuous learning, you want to give this video a like, and you want to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so that you're updated on new videos as they are uploaded. So whether it's new features in SQL Server, advancements in data warehousing, or the latest in cloud tech, continuous learning is crucial. It keeps you sharp, innovative, and ahead of the curve. Many teams now work in agile environments, and DevOps practices are becoming the norm. Understanding CI/CD pipelines, automated testing, and deployment strategies is very important. You should know how to integrate SQL deployments into CI/CD pipelines, write unit tests for your queries and store procedures, and ensure that your database changes are seamless and safe. It's all about efficiency and reliability. And there you have it. Those are the core skills and qualities to make a senior SQL developer. It's a blend of deep technical expertise, problem solving, and a commitment to continuous learning. So if you're aiming for that senior SQL developer title, keep honing those skills, stay curious, and never stop learning. And remember, every challenge you face is just another opportunity to grow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments to let us know your own experiences as a SQL developer. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.